All right, we just got done looking at linear versus nonlinear on a table. Let's look at linear versus nonlinear on a graph, okay? I went to Desmos again. As you can see up here, I went to Desmos. I'm going to utilize their online graphing calculator. So on their online graphing calculator, I'm going to go ahead and hit add item. I'm going to make tables because I have the table already, okay? I'm going to change... So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my data for my table. So this is that first table that we had that was linear. So I had 250, I had 435, I had 620, and then I had 8 and 5. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and click on this little thing, bring up this little line so it connects the dots, and hopefully you can kind of see there with that line what's occurring there, that linear line. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you another example. So I'm going to insert another table. All right, and we're going to put in the nonlinear one. So we got 1, 1, we have 4, 16, we have 7, 49, and then we have 10, 100. Okay, again, I'm going to click and hold on to it, allow me to connect the points. Okay, and maybe, hopefully you can see kind of what's going on here. So again, the black line is the linear line, the green line is the nonlinear line. When I look here, I notice the linear line is nice and straight. There's a constant rate of change, because that's the key there. Linear means that there's a constant rate of change. And when we have a constant rate of change, we get a nice straight line. The green line is nonlinear, which means this is not a constant rate of change. And you'll notice that when I look at it from point to point, we start to see a curve to it. Okay? So anytime that we have a curve to the line, that means it's going to be nonlinear. So the green, again, was the nonlinear. The black was the linear equation. I also graphed or put two other equation or tables on linear versus nonlinear. So I want you to see what those kind of look like on this one. So I'm going to change the numbers. So we had 0, -3, we had 3, 9, we had 6, 21, we had 9, 33. Okay. Over on the other one, we had 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 10. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here on my touch screen. Okay, I think this allows you to see it better. Again, the black line identifies the linear line, so you can see that it's nice and straight because it's constant. Whereas if I look at the green line, which is nonlinear, you can see that it has a somewhat of a curve to it. All right, and as a result, we know that that one is nonlinear. So again, a linear line will be nice and straight. A nonlinear line will be curved on the graph.